Hello, today we will review how to use the print settings for the Epson F170 dye-sublimation printer. We're going to use Photoshop. You can use something like Corel Draw or other graphics applications. Each one has its own color engine, but the Adobe color engine will be more accurate than printing out using the simple system driver. I opened a regular RGB sample file that I like to print, and it goes right to the print dialog. As you can see here, the image is larger than the media size. I can scale and fit it to the media so that it will be complete on the paper size. Under the print settings, you will have the Epson print driver options. For the best color accuracy, select Photoshop Manages Color instead of Printer Manages Color. It will use the Adobe Color Engine, which would be slightly more accurate than having the printer do the color management for you. The other thing you have to choose from here is the printer profile, and this printer comes with two printer profiles that are loaded once you install the complete printer's system driver. One profile is for rigid substrates, and one is for textiles or fabric. Be sure to use the correct profile for the different substrates. Choose your rendering. This is a 4-color printer, so perceptual will be the best selection for ideal results for dye sublimation. Let's move over to the print settings. As you can see, you can choose your document size and paper type. Remember to use the correct paper type for your application. High quality will produce better results. You can also confirm the number of copies and check the preview option to see how the output will appear on the media. In the More Options tab, you can reduce or enlarge the document size. And what is very important, set the color correction. If you set it to automatic, the printer will manage the color. If you select Custom, Photoshop will manage the color. Under Advanced, you want to choose No Color Adjustment. Turn off bidirectional printing and select Mirror Image, which is a standard default for dye sublimation. Under Maintenance, you can do a nozzle check print and a cleaning procedure. When the nozzle check prints are not complete, that means that not all the nozzles are firing, which will affect the color. You want to ensure the print head is clean. Under Extended Settings, you can use the slider to boost or reduce the ink density. Manage this option carefully. Once the settings are complete, the image can be printed and transferred.
For additional information, please visit us at www.inkjetbiz.com. Send us an email to orders@inkjetbiz.com or call us to 1-408-394-7595. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more InkJetBiz videos.